In the previous class and in the first video of this Tajweed course, because the previous class was the first lesson and first video of this Tajweed course, and this is the second class and second lesson. In the previous course, we divided the alphabets of Quran into three groups. First, Musta'aliyah alphabets, that are 7 huruf, 7 alphabets and pronounced as heavy voice. And second group, sometimes pronounced by heavily and sometimes pronounced as lightly. And the third group, that are called Mustafila alphabets, and those are 19 alphabets. And these alphabets are always pronounced as lightly. Now, in this second class and second lesson of this Tajweed course, we are going to pronounce the alphabets of the Quran. I will give you the chance and give you the time. In this lesson, we are only going to pronounce the first group of these alphabets, Musta'aliyah alphabets, pronounced as heavy voice. So we are going to pronounce these 7 alphabets in this lesson. So let's begin. Musta'aliyah alphabets pronounced as heavy voice. You repeat. I am going to give you the time. Okay, repeat. Sod. Repeat. Bod. Repeat after me. Bo. Zo. Ghain. Qaf. Okay, that's it. These were the 7 alphabets of the Quran called Musta'aliyah alphabets, always pronounced as heavy voice. So, this was today's lesson. I am covering a little bit because I want you to be consistent with this Tajweed course. Rewatch the video and practice well these alphabets so you can become a good reciter of Quran. See you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.